Will I get rich if I buy this coin? We all dream of a jackpot. I thought, since AI knows everything, it must know the future prices too. So I asked, recommend a coin that will jump 10 times. But AI's answer was firm and cold. I cannot predict the future. Please invest responsibly. I was disappointed. But then I realized, Analyst. AI is not a fortune teller. It is a data analyst. Asking, will it go up, is gambling. Asking, what is the risk, is investing. Scenario 1 risk analysis. Instead of should I buy, ask. Summarize the recent hacking incidents or risks of this company. It helps you see the danger signals. Scenario 2 safe savings. Find the top 3 fixed deposit accounts with the highest rates. It finds the safest place for your acorns instantly. AI cannot guarantee your future, but it can prevent you from investing in things you don't understand. Look before you leap. Next time, let's learn how to protect ourselves from scams with Bodyguard AI.